Good day and welcome back to TT Forex. In this video I'm going to talk about patience. Patience is of the virtue, that's what they say, and undoubtedly so it is. Look, I took one trade last week. I think I'm not so sure of the exact day, but it was 1, 2, 3, 4 days, I think 3 days back, 3 trading days back. So this trade was taken maybe like on Thursday last week. It didn't materialize until today. That's when I'm starting to see some bit of profits here and there. So I'm not so sure how it's going to go, but well, according to my analysis and my strategy, it is going to come up to this point here where it broke this support. So I'm looking for this support to be retested. So that's when I'm going to take my profits and then maybe consider some shorting opportunities right here. But what I'm trying to say is I took this trade right here last week, seeing this kind of a hammer candle here. So I didn't just buy based on this hammer. I looked back in history to see if this level was a strong support level. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see here this was a strong support. Here it had some congestion out of it, and then this week here didn't quite make it to the level. But yes, if you drop this line down to where these previous weeks are, I think you can get a touch here. Look here, this is a touch, like, as you know, support and resistance zones or lines, they are not just mere linear levels. They are zones where the market tests and retests, break and retests, and yeah, so those are key levels. So this was a key level, and here and here and here. So I was anticipating a reversal here. As you can see on the weekly chart, it is a trend continuation support. But when you go down to the daily, the market has broken this level here. This is a daily key level, key support. It broke down and came to this level here, which is a weekly support, and on the weekly time frame it is a trend continuation support level. So I took this trade with confidence, knowing that from the higher time frame this is a key level from the weekly, and it is not just a key level, it is a trend continuation key level. So I took this trade with some sort of confidence, high confidence, hoping it will materialize as soon as I took it. But well, it went against me for some time last week. The entire last week it was going against me, and then Monday, that was yesterday, it started to show me some bullish movement. However, I didn't despair. I did not take my trade off the table. I just waited for my edge to materialize, and this is how the trade is going right now. As you can see, I have some profits, which, by the way, I have already moved my stop loss to break even just to protect the trade. As you can see here, I'm not an aggressive person, so out of a $10,000 account, I am trading 0.25 lots, which is something like what, 1 to 2.5, I think, to 2.5 leverage. Yeah, that's 1 to 2.5 leverage. So that's how I trade. I'm not a greedy person, I'm not aggressive, so even if this market was to go against me for some time, I wouldn't block my account. That's how I trade, So yeah, I just wanted to show you how patience can pay you. If ever I had taken my trade off the table right here, maybe like thinking it's going to go against me, I would have lost, and then only to watch the market go back in my direction. So this is one trade I took, and I just got patient with it until today when it started showing me some bits of profit. So with that said, I hope you guys can be patient with your trades and just wait for the market to tell you what it really wants to do and take the trade. Or if ever you are already in the trade, as long as it doesn't stop you out, do not get out manually. Let the market get you out. Right here, I took this trade based on this candlestick here. As you can see here, we have some kind of a hammer candlestick. So seeing that this was a key level from the weekly chart, I just took the trade based on this candlestick here. So the market went against me, but it didn't stop me out because my stop was like down here. I was aiming to for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and yes, I'm still aiming for it. Now the market has moved almost about half the distance to my 1-to-1, so I just decided to move my stop loss to break even, so that even if the trade can come back down here, it's no big deal for me, So that's it for this trade. I'm just hoping it will come here to retest this level, and then that's when I'm going to look for some shorting opportunities here. Maybe short this sucker down to this level again and see how it materializes. So guys, I just wanted to share this trade with you, and yes, to tell you much more about being patient in the market and how it will pay off. So if you're really new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any trades, because we are going to post more videos about trades and trading psychology, strategies, and all that sorts of things. So until then, goodbye, happy trading.